Here's another curated recipe from Mon Dessert. Bake donuts in 2 ways. This recipe shows our cinnamon and glazed chocolate. However, you can use this as a guide for some of our other flavors of donuts, such as Oreo or raspberry. This kit makes up to 18 donuts and takes around 35 minutes. It can also be adapted to a plant-based diet. Empty the 2 sachets of flax seeds in a small bowl and pour over 50 ml of water and set aside. These are your flax eggs. If you prefer a non-plant-based version, add 2 free-range organic eggs instead. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Melt the butter in a microwave for 20 seconds. Brush a 6-cavity mold with a small amount of the melted butter. You'll need 3 of these, or do them in 3 batches. Pop 85 grams of the butter into a mixing bowl and whisk in 1.5 packets of the sugar until smooth. Add the flax eggs, beating to combine. Sift the flour sachets into the sugar and butter mixture, alternatively with the milk, beginning and ending with the flour and making sure everything is thoroughly combined. The batter will be fairly thick. Take a piping bag and pop over a tall glass to form an opening. Pour in 1/3 of your batter. Twist the end. Pipe the donuts into the prepared mold 1/3 of the way up. Bake the donuts for 7 minutes. Check that they are nicely brown and that they come off the mold easily. If not, put back into the oven for a couple of minutes. Remove them from the oven and wait 2 to 5 minutes before turning them out and putting them on a wire rack. You will still have enough batter to do 2 to 3 batches in total, or fill 3 molds of 6. Sift cocoa, icing sugar and agar into a shallow dish. Gradually add 30 ml of warm water and whisk until smooth, thick and glossy. Then empty the cinnamon sachet and add the remaining sugar sachets onto a plate. Brush each donut with the remaining butter that was melted in step 3. Coat half, approximately 9, of the still warm buttered donuts in the cinnamon sugar. With the remaining donuts, dip the more rounded side into the glaze to coat. Leave to drip on a wire rack. These donuts are best served slightly warm. Now you have the mold, the world is your oyster for more flavors and combinations. Have a go with coconut and white chocolate, crushed praline or spiced apple. The combinations are limitless. We will be bringing out lots and lots of other flavors, so keep a lookout. Enjoy!